Grade 10, this is Mrs. Shank. I'm about to go over 2 sheets that you have in Schoology. After reading chapters 1 through 6, you're going to be writing an essay. So I'm going to break this into 2 small lessons. This is lesson 1, it's going to take about 5 minutes, and lesson 2 will take about 7 minutes. So listen carefully and read along if you so desire. We will be doing a 5-by-5 paragraph. In grade 10, according to the state of Minnesota, that is what they would like you to do. Cool thing is that the 5-by-5 is a speech outline format. The 2 are the same, and if you think of it that way, it'll be so much easier for you. The purpose for learning this format is because throughout your lifetime, you will have opportunities and requirements where you need to speak to small groups, larger groups, write essays, whatever. Anytime you need to communicate something formally, basically, or even informally at times. If you become familiar with this format, it takes away the stress, it takes away the pressure. You have an introduction, which introduces main points. Then you have a body, which breaks those main points up into examples and details, spreads out the details, gets more detailed. And then you have the conclusion where you wrap things up quickly, but also use that time to make your point. So that is what this paper will do, and that is what every speech will do, and everything that you talk about, especially in persuasion, will do. But in form is the same. This is called quotation sandwiches, and you think of it like this. It's just a technique to make your writing better. This in particular is about persuasive writing. It helps you to be more sophisticated, because since you know how things are laid out, you can now spend your time choosing the right words and using transitions and words that accommodate like a pause, like you would do when you're talking. There are 3 main things here. Now you'll see that there's 1, 2, 3, top slice, filling, and bottom slice. So not only will your paper have an intro, a body, and conclusion, but every paragraph also has like those 3 slices. So every paragraph will make a claim. Every paragraph will use a quote or something from the story. And then after that, you will have some commentary or a comment. So it's claim, quote, comment. So each paragraph in the body, not the intro, not the conclusion, will have a claim, a quote, and a comment. And that's basically all you have to do. So now you can concentrate on sounding good, choosing good words, writing in third person, spelling correctly, using punctuation, and now you've just elevated your writing. So that is basically the first part. You can read this on your own. Not only have you been staring at the screen, but you also have this on Schoology. Claim, quote, comment. This is your idea. In this case, it's going to be my idea, kind of. And then the quote is from whatever you've been reading, in this case, To Kill a Mockingbird. And then the comments are your ideas based on your beliefs and your experiences and so forth. Be sure to use transitions and know that this is the end. Hey, 3:30. I'm a fast talker, I realize that. So this is part 1 of the sandwich paragraph and sandwich essay.